We have already discussed about quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now today I shall discuss about cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where a, b, c, d are real coefficient. Now let us start today's class. From the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, whose roots are alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now if the equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, whose roots are, since it is cubic equation, then its roots are alpha, beta and gamma. Then we know alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the relation between roots and coefficient. Relation between roots, that means alpha, beta, gamma, and coefficient ABC. Example 1, x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, means minus 3 by 1, that means 3. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, this is equal to c by a. C means 7 by 1, this is 7, and alpha beta gamma, this is equal to minus d by a, this is equal to minus d by a, that means minus of minus 6 by 1, this is equal to 6. It is given that x cube minus 9x square plus 23x minus 15 is equal to 0, whose roots are in AP. Whose roots are, since it is a cubic equation, then roots are alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are in AP. Then we suppose that the roots are alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta. Okay. Then from the relation between roots and coefficient, we know alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta. We know that if ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equal to c by a, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Then we get minus b by a means minus 9 by 1, this is equal to 9, that means beta cancelling beta, we get 3 alpha is equal to 9, then alpha is equal to 3. We get one root. Now from the third relation, alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta is equal to c by a, minus d by a, that means minus 15 by 1, that is 15. and here it is given that alpha is equal to 3, then 3 into 3 square, sorry, alpha square minus beta square is equal to 15, or alpha square 9, alpha means 3 square minus beta square is equal to 15 by 3, this is equal to 5, or beta square is equal to 5 minus 9, minus beta square is equal to 5 minus 9 minus 4, or beta is equal to plus minus 2. Therefore, the roots are alpha minus beta, that means 3 minus 2, alpha, 3 and 3 plus 2, that is 1, 3, 5. You see that the roots are in AP. Next, we shall solve a problem whose roots are in GP. Now our next problem is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Find the condition that the roots are in GP. We know that from the relation between roots and coefficient, x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Alpha, beta, gamma roots, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha, beta, gamma alpha is equal to minus c by a. Plus c by a, and alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. Then, since the roots are in GP, we say that the roots are in GP. That means roots are alpha by beta, alpha and alpha beta. Now, sum of the roots alpha by beta plus alpha beta is equal to minus b by a. From here, taking alpha, 1 by beta plus 1 plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And next, alpha by beta into alpha plus alpha by beta into alpha beta plus alpha into alpha beta is equal to c by a. That means then alpha square 1 by beta plus beta 1 plus beta, this is equal to c by a, and multiplying these 3, alpha by beta into alpha beta is equal to minus d by a. That means alpha cube is equal to minus d by a. Now from these two, 1 and 2, we get dividing 2 by 1, we get alpha square 1 by beta plus 1 plus beta is equal to c by a by alpha by 1 by beta plus 1 plus beta by minus b by a. Then cancelling, we get alpha is equal to minus c by b. Now putting the value of alpha, we get minus c by b whole cube is equal to minus d by a, or now we get minus c cube by b cube is equal to minus d by a, or a c cube is equal to d b cube. This is our required condition. A c cube is equal to b cube d. That means a into c cube is equal to b cube into d. If the condition holds, then the roots are in GP. Here it is given that the roots of the equation be in HP, then find the mean root. We know that if alpha, beta, gamma are in HP, then if alpha, beta, gamma are in HP, then 2 by beta is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by gamma. We have to find out the mean root beta. From this relation we get 2 by beta is equal to gamma plus alpha by gamma alpha. That means 2 gamma alpha is equal to beta gamma plus alpha beta. Now from the relation between roots and coefficient, we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to plus c by a. From here we get this is equal to 2 gamma alpha, then 2 gamma alpha plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, or 3 gamma alpha is equal to c by a, or from here we get gamma alpha is equal to c by 3a. Now from the last relation we get alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Gamma alpha means c by 3a into beta is equal to minus d by a. Cancelling a, we get beta is equal to minus 3d by c. So our required root is beta is equal to minus 3d by c. This is your answer. Okay, this is the problem and this its solution. X cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, whose sum of two roots equal to 0. Sum of two roots equal to 0. That means sum of two roots equal to 0 means one root alpha, another root minus alpha. Then sum of two roots equal to 0, and the third root is beta. Then what we get from the relation between roots and coefficient, alpha minus alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That means beta is equal to minus b by a. This is number one condition. From the second condition we get minus alpha square, this into this, minus alpha beta plus alpha beta is equal to c by a. Cancelling we get minus alpha square is equal to c by a. And product of three roots, alpha into minus alpha into beta is equal to minus d by a. That means minus alpha square beta is equal to minus d by a, or minus alpha square means c by a into beta. Beta means minus b by a, then minus b by a is equal to minus d by a, then cancelling we get minus b by c is equal to minus a by d. That means bc is equal to ad. from here we get the condition if BC is equal to AD, BC, B into C is equal to A into D, then we get the sum of two roots is equal to 0. X cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. The nature of the roots. From the given condition, we say that this coefficient is 1, then 1 into 20 is equal to minus 5 into minus 4. That means what I want to say is that A into D is equal to B into C. If this holds, that means 20 is equal to 20, then we say that in this equation there are two roots whose one root is alpha and another root is minus alpha. That means we can say that it has two roots which are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Okay, you understand it? Equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. Okay, now the next problem is if the sum of the roots of the equation x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is 0, then AB is we know that if the sum of the roots is 0, that means ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. If the sum of the roots is equal to 0, then the condition is AD is equal to BC. Now comparing this, we get from the equation x cube plus x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Sum of the roots is 0 means 1 into c is equal to a into b. So our required answer is AB is equal to c. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. What we can say that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Now this is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. This is equal to alpha beta gamma. This is beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus alpha beta. That means this is equal to c by a by minus d by a. Then your answer is minus c by d. You can solve it in another way. If x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma, then we can find an equation by substituting x is equal to 1 by x. Substituting x by 1 by x, we get a by x cube plus b by x square plus c by x plus d is equal to 0. That means a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube is equal to 0. Substituting x by 1 by x in this cubic equation, you get the roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. The roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Then you know 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, sum of the roots means minus C by D. This is your required answer. You can do it in this way, or substituting x by 1 by x, you get the value of 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma, and you can do it in this way. This is two types of solution. Next problem is, if alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of the equation x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then find the value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. We know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Now if you find the value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma its whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Then from here we get minus b by a its whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into this one is c by a. Therefore alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to b square by a square minus 2c by a. That means b square minus 2ac by a square. This is the required answer. The problem is, if alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of the equation x cube plus qx plus r is equal to 0, then find the equation whose roots are beta plus gamma by alpha square, alpha plus beta by gamma square, gamma plus alpha by beta square. From the relation of roots and coefficient, we know that x cube plus qx plus r is equal to 0. That means sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, but the coefficient of x square is 0. That means this is 0. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equal to q by 1, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r. Now we take the equation whose roots are beta plus gamma by alpha square, comma alpha plus beta by gamma square, gamma plus alpha by beta square. It can be written as, if you alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha by alpha square, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus gamma by gamma square, gamma plus alpha plus beta minus beta by beta square. We know from the roots of the relation alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0. That means minus alpha by alpha square minus gamma by gamma square minus beta by beta square. That means roots are minus alpha minus gamma minus beta. Now, as I have told earlier that if you replace x by minus 1 by x, replacing x by minus 1 by x, we get minus 1 by x whole cube plus q into minus 1 by x plus r is equal to 0. For minus 1 by x cube minus q by x plus r is equal to 0, or minus 1 minus qx square plus rx cube. So our required answer is rx cube minus qx square minus 1 is equal to 0. That means B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. I have done it in very shortcut method. That means if your roots are minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma, then replacing x by minus 1 by x. Replacing x by minus 1 by x. Replacing x by minus 1 by x, you get the required result.